In this video, we want to now crochet a headband like this. So we need to now do more flowers. The first flower was now already done in the previous video. Now we need to join as you go the flowers. So we still need to do now the first round. And once I've done the first round, then I'm going to show you how I join it. So I will use this for the second flower, and I will start off camera. And the moment that I get to the second round, then I'll show you how we join it. So I will make first the DC, then I will make the half treble, then I make 2 of the 5 trebles. I take the other flower, the first one, and I just go here into the middle of the 5. You can normally just estimate with the eye, you can see, otherwise you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's a DC, then a half treble, then 2 trebles, and then you with the middle treble. And from the top I did go in, and now I just slip stitch and put it through the first flower and then put it through that loop. There it is joined. Now I complete this petal by making 2 more trebles and then a half treble and a DC, slip stitch into the middle one, go to the next petal, make the DC, then the half treble, then 2 trebles, and now you're going to join them again. So take the next petal, look for the middle one again, or you, as I've said, you can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go from the top into both loops, collect the yarn and just slip stitch through all, and then you carry on. And now you can complete this flower. There you can see you've joined them, and it's quite a good join. And like that you carry on, joining enough of them. So now I need to show you, after you now have a certain length, I would suggest that you take first the band that you're going to use and you stretch it. So here is a new band, and then you stretch it and you see how far it will stretch. From there, let us see. It's about 6 centimeters that it can stretch easily. So then you know you need to now subtract 6 centimeters from the circumference of the head. Now normally for an adult, the head circumference is about 54 centimeters. So if you subtract 6 from 54, you get to 48. So what I've done is I've just put flowers enough that if they stretch a little bit, that I get to 48 centimeters. And then I'm ready to attach the rubber band. Now let us see how I attach it. If I've worked with this color, I want to now also attach it using the same color. But I use a separate strap. So I normally use the middle 3 trebles. So like that. And then yarn in my hand. And I just now go through and make a DC over all of them. United States SC. For the child size headband, I've attached the rubber band in a slightly different way.